Hey guys, it's Jamie again with my Binary Destroyer. Today is Tuesday and like I do, I want to do some live trading all of this week so you can see exactly how I trade. I managed 3-0 yesterday and today I just put a quick trade on USD Chef for a 11-minute trade. I'm currently in a 15-minute trade on my live account. So yeah, the reason you can't see me is because of my webcam is freezing at the minute. I just bought it, a nice expensive webcam, and I don't have a clue how to use it. I need to fiddle around with the settings. So I wanted to get my live trading out of the way done, and then I can concentrate on trying to sort that for tomorrow's training. Well, tomorrow's trading, shall I say. So yeah, I've currently, you can see yesterday I did 3-0. I did also 3-0 on my live account. It should have been 2-1, but literally I just scraped a win. So yeah, I just jumped into a quick USD Chef trade, okay, when my I'll just show you why. For some reason my computer stops freezing because it's giving me an alert. So you can see here, there is my signal alert on USD Chef. I actually got in a bit early. I got in around here when I started seeing some nice rejection area and the RSI was overbought. There's absolutely nothing wrong with me getting in down here before the signal arrow. I like to teach everybody the same principles just to sort of help you guys understand the market. You can see here how, like, you see how we got a nice signal arrow here. You know, a 30-minute trade would have been a nice winner, but you know, we use a thing called a 2 candlestick strategy in the VIP group, and I would have got in here just to sort of, you know, so to help you get in before the arrow appears. So yeah, literally jumped in with USD Chef. If there's any other trades about, I don't like Euro USD at the minute. Can you see how it's not really doing a lot? It's kind of just going, see these big kind of candlesticks here? Can you see that big candlestick there, then a big candlestick down to the downside, and that's telling me it's a bit choppy. There's a lot of news happening, I'm guessing, on Euro USD. You see how we've got this sort of, like, the price is ranging. If I draw my other support line here, can you see how we're kind of in a ranging effect? Okay, you see that? The price is, look, now we've got these massive sort of candlesticks shooting up. That normally means if Euro USD is going up, USD Chef is going down, okay? But I'm pretty confident that's going to be a winner. I got into a 15-minute trade. It is against the trend, okay? I'll tell you why it's against the trend. Is just using a bit of price action. Can you see our trend line here, okay? Let me draw. Can you see that here? We've got a nice trend line happening here, okay? So the price is likely to bounce in between this trend line, okay? So a perfect opportunity, okay? Let me try and find my box. So what I would recommend for new guys to be trading, okay, is trading with the trend, okay? I'd be waiting for the price to come up to this zone here, waiting for it to be in the sell zone, and then taking a trade down. So yeah, you know, you can see that my trade kind of is against the trend, but I'm pretty confident that's going to be a winner. I'm both in the money on my live and demo account. So we should hopefully see USD CAD. That's a nice trade. This is going to shoot up. Can you see how I'm making a nice W shape? You see that? I haven't actually adjusted any of my binary destroyer. This is exactly how I left it from you guys yesterday. So I'm just going to load up now. You see how the market, see this is a nice pace. See how it's making nice moves. Look at this. Look at that, nice signal arrow. Oof. The perfect setups, okay, is when the signal arrow, like here, yeah, can you see here, is still in the sell zone, and here is still in the buy zone. Look at these deep wins. You know, when the price is kind of not really doing a lot, like here. See how it's kind of like flat here. You see how it's not really making much move, and then we sort of looked here and we've got these big massive moves. You know, these are beautiful trades. Look, bang, back to back, 1, 2, 3, and now we got another one here. I might jump into another trade here, even though it would be breaking the rules. See, this is going to shoot up, okay, because you can tell, look at this nice sort of wave effect here. But I am currently, I'm still in the money. I'm still in the money, so I'd love to take a trade there right now. That will win, but I'm breaking my rules. And this how it's rising. But the whole point of this exercise is to show you how I trade the binary destroyer, not how I trade raw price action. If you'd got in at this signal candle here, that would be a nice entry, but I'm entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm entering 10 minutes after that signal arrow had appeared. So I am not going to enter there. Okay, that's interesting. GPUSD, Great British Pound USD is not doing a lot. It's kind of in a downtrend. Can you see that? Nice downtrend. So we are 4 minutes to go. I'm out of the money on both of them. Why is that? I'm still pretty confident this is going to be a winner. We've got a nice support area around here. Any other? See, look at AUD USD right now. Look at that spike up there. Look at all these. Look at all these nice trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh dear me, I missed all these. These are beautiful. When the price is moving like that, it's perfect. You just can't put a price on it. I'm out the money on both of these. I've got 3 minutes to go on IQ options, and I've got 4 minutes to go on my ETX account. But it looks like the market's making a lot of moves. But anyway, look at these setups. Look at that. This would be a good time to enter here. If I get a signal arrow around here on AUD USD, I'm going to jump in there for a 15-minute trade. Yeah. See how we've got this nice M pattern appearing now. Both the RSI, CCI and stochastics oversold. If I get a nice signal arrow here, and that's going to be a nice trade. USD JPY, if I get can you see some nice diversions in the RSI? Yeah? You see how, if you ever wonder what diversions is, yeah, you see how the price is going down there. Okay, can you see that? It's making lower lows, but look at the RSI. It's going up. It's making higher lows. Can you see that? That's called right there divergence. Okay, that means that a reversal is happening. So the price is going down, but the RSI is going up. Okay. So if I see any more bullish momentum around there, I'm going to get into a trade. I've got 2 minutes to go on my live account. See, now it's dropping, that's nice. That means USD Chef's going to rise. Yeah, you see it's rising. I need a nice signal arrow to appear just here, and I'm going to enter into a I'm going to enter a 5-minute trade there. What's USD JPY saying? Price is moving. Look at it. Look at these nice setups. Look at that. Good time to be trading is now. Market's moving. Compared to yesterday, there's a lot of movement in the market. And nice. I've got 50 seconds to go on my live account. This one's going to nicely drop into the money. Right, that's done. So that's 4-0 on my IQ options demo. I need this one to come into now. Come on. Nice. Nice. That's going to be a winner. That's me 4-0. So far this week you've seen me do 4-0 on both my live and demo account. So we're good. Let's try and get one more trade in and I can make it 5-0 for the week. I like AUD at the minute. See, that's going to rise. I'm going to jump into USD JPY trade. Do I jump into AUD USD? Right, so let's start deleting some currency pairs. Okay, USD, don't like that. You see how it's going sideways? Let's get rid of that one. USD Chef. Okay, there's our signal arrow there. We can see that's a nice winner. So there's no point. I've already won a trade on this currency pair. Okay, I'm looking for one more. Okay, so I'm going to delete that there. Our two pairs that don't like USD CAD. Look, you see how it's starting to go sideways now. There's no trade happening there. I've got AUD USD and USD JPY. Okay. I've got this nice zigzag happening here. Let me load the zigzag bit. If you always wonder why I loaded the zigzag, is it just helps spot highs and lows. Okay. I mean, look at this. See how the markets make. See, GP USD, I don't like that. See how it's going sideways. We had this nice signal out there. Look. You see if you got in here. Oh dear. 30-minute trade would have won that. 15-minute trade would have won that. 5-minute trade. I mean, that there is against the trend. You can see that, can't you? That is against the trend, okay, but you would win that. That there, look where the signal arrow is, still in the set buy zone. That's why you would have won that. If you compare it to something like this, Okay, look where that signal, look where that signal arrow is, right in the middle of no man's land. See, that's right in the middle there. Okay, you don't want to be taking trades in the middle. You want to be taking trades when the price is still in the zone. And that would there, nice 15-minute trade or 5-minute trade against the trend would have won. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that one there. So basically, I am left with two currency pairs. Oh, I'm entering this. What's this? Euro JPY. Have I got Euro JPY? Let's enter a 11-minute trade and I'm in. Let me do it on my live. 1 minute. So I'm in as well. So we've currently got our 5th trade on for the week, okay? And you're going to wonder why I'm taking Euro JPY. Okay, I like that. Okay, that right there is a nice trade. Okay, it is just suddenly dropped. I might have. Oh, USD JPY. Let's jump on that as well. Got a signal arrow. Right, we're in USD JPY as well. Let me do this on another account. Done. Right, so I'm currently in 2 trades. Okay. Do I go for Euro? I'm going to enter AUD USD for 5 minutes. I'm not going to do this on my live account. I'm just going to enter for 5-minute trade, and you will see what I mean. Okay. So AUD USD 5-minute trade. I haven't took this on my live account, but I just want to try and show you guys. So we've currently got 3 trades on. Euro JPY might have been a bad decision. Bad decision. That's why you wait for the signal arrow. But USD JPY looks nice. It's a nice trade against the trend. But you see I've got this nice W-shaped pattern forming here. AUD is going to be a winner. You see how when you spot patterns, okay, you see how you get these nice WM shapes and the price just drops, you know, and that signal arrow there confirms it. Okay, when you get a nice M shape or W shape pattern with a signal arrow, that's like gold dust. I mean, look, W, look at that, poof, price shoots off again. An M shape here, price just drops. You know, if you can spot these patterns before getting there, I think this week or next week I'm going to talk more about these patterns in the VIP group, because they're so important with traders, so important. Well, Euro JPY trade is probably going to be a loss. I mean, but we'll see what happens. What I'll do is I'll pause the video, I'll come back in 5 or 10 minutes, and you can see what it is. I'm either going to finish today doing 5-0 or it's going to be 4-1. Either way, I'm happy with my results. AUD USD is literally plummeting. Can you see that? Nice trade. And funny how like the trades that win are always on demo, but that trade that I took on my live account, Euro JPY, I will probably lose it. But that's luck for you. But you see, I like this now because we're getting diversions again. Okay, this is Euro JPY. You see how the price is going down here, okay? But then look at the RSI, yeah? It's going here. One member actually, a member in the VIP group actually shared something like this earlier, like a little PDF explaining about diversions. And it normally indicates that the price is going to reverse, okay? It doesn't always. But we are in a good position right now because the price is in the buy zone. It is massively a downtrend. Okay, we are what I'm doing is fighting against the market. But because you can see here, you see how he's got these nice red signal arrows, like here, 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 they're all winners. And then you see, you look at the trades against the trend, that would have won and that one would have lost. So that would have been 3-0 with the trend, but only 1-0, well 1-1 against the trend. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll pause the video. I mean, what I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Hey guys, yeah, so I'm back. It's literally been 10 seconds, but I just wanted to show you that AUD trade again, just how powerful, like these, look at it from that signal, boom boom, and it drops. You know, the thing about M's and W's and spotting these patterns, like they only really, you want to be taking them when the price is in the buy and sell zones. But look at it, look at that W there. What a 5-minute trade, 15-minute trade would have won that. Again here, 5-minute or 15-minute would have won that. So yeah, there we go. What's that? That would be 5-0. Euro JPY is climbing now. That's interesting. Euro JPY is fighting. Well, it's climbing. You see how the RSI is rising now. Let me just see what the if you're watching here now, okay, right, this is the first video you're watching me, okay, this is just me trading live, okay, this is exactly how I would trade, okay, and I'm not hiding nothing, okay. Yes, the way I'm trading now might confuse you and you might go, yes, you're trading against the trend, and yes, you're not really following the binder destroyer rules, yes, okay, but this is just me being naked trading, showing you how I would trade. You know, I would normally do this off the camera, away from you guys, but I just want to show. Look at this, look at the signal arrow appearing now. Okay, hopefully these win. This would be 6-0. Right, anyway, so yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Hey guys, right, so my other two trades just came into the money, and I'm just currently waiting for these to close now. So that is me. That's me 6-0. I'm 6-0 on my live account, okay, and I will be 7-0 on my demo account. So just wait for these to come into the money and I'll explain to you what's been happening. So 3, 2, 1, boom, in. Right, so as you can see, you know, not hiding nothing, there is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-0 and 6-0 on my live account because I didn't take that AUD 5-minute trade. But you can see now how we've got this nice M-shaped pattern here. Signal hours appears, you know, and the price shoots off. Nice W shape there. Can you see that? A bit of RSI is oversold. Like I said, you know, this is just me raw trading. You know, I'm not hiding anything. You know, that's it. You know, I've got a nice. There was my signal out there. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-minute trade would have won that. But yeah, you can see. You know, I am currently 6-0 and 7-0 on my demo account. So I'm gonna leave that there. That's my trading done in literally. When was the first time I took my first trade? Was it 28th at 7 o'clock? So in literally 15 minutes, I have done 4-0. You can see that started at 17 o'clock, 5 o'clock. It's now 17:15. So I have done, well, I've done 3-0 on my live account or 4-0 in the space of 15 minutes. That's me done, and that's why I love trading. Okay, pretty much simple. 15 minutes worth of work, done. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. That is another live trading session, and I'll leave it for there. Thank you.